A lot to cover in weather, but you know what? It's so nice to have quiet weather, even though we're cold and way below average for this time of the year. It's fun to see some cumulus clouds and that golden disk shining through those clouds in the sky. Feels marvelous, even though the thermometers are not responding. Temperatures are on the chilly side. Let's go full screen and show you the details. 36 degrees at Hector International, and it still feels like it's in the 20s thanks to that wind chill of those northerly winds, gusting to 22 miles per hour. The clouds are out of here. The sun moving in, and it looks very quiet out to the west, and that's a good sign. Check this good sign out as well. First and foremost, the last 3 weeks, we've had winter storms and blizzards hit the western Dakotas, and this is the snow that's left behind on the visible satellite. Still a lot to melt, with over 4 feet in places near Minot over the course of those systems, and an ice storm this past weekend. Little trail of some snow in the northern valley as well, going through Grand Forks County, Nelson County, particularly up here near Walhalla and Cavalier. You could see some white snow in these areas with the snow on the ground. It reflects the sun's energy right back up to space, and see the dipsy doodle in the temperatures here. That's where it's a little cooler. 34 Langdon, 36 Grand Forks and Fargo, and a balmy 39 degrees. What are you doing in Oaks? Getting the flip-flops out for sure. All right, tonight, quiet, clear. Windy down in the southern counties of 15 to 25 miles per hour. Look at the clear skies overnight. We stay pretty quiet. We'll have a few high clouds drifting in. Notice the spits and sprinkles in southern parts of North Dakota. Heading into the afternoon, it looks like your day will be a little warmer. Our chance of sprinkles exits. The wind will still be southeasterly, 15 to 30 miles per hour. So midday spotty showers exit, but the wind increases. Check out these temperatures though. As opposed to the 30s, we ramp it up into the 40s for almost all locations. I do think some of you melting snow up north will be limited closer to that 40-degree mark for a peak temperature in the afternoon. So a warmer day and quiet for the most part, minus those morning hour sprinkles. A lot more to talk about. We're going to look at that weekend rain in a second, but your day planner for Fargo looks like this: 28 to start. That wind will be breezy from the east-southeast, picking up 15 to 30 miles per hour, and then decreasing a little bit late as temperatures rise into the mid-40s. We'll have sun and a mix of clouds, particularly in the early part of the day. For the late part of the day, things look a little quieter, both on the wind front and on the precipitation chances front. Speaking of precipitation chances, we started off the show with the importance of where the rain falls and how much rain falls, on its impacts on the rivers. Now, we know where the impacts from our last rain event have hit hard. Eastern North Dakota from Highway 200 and points north, and the Valley City area, and all of northwest Minnesota and the northern Red River Valley north of Fargo-Moorhead. Friday, in the morning hours, the rain will push up, and by late it makes its way in, and overnight into Saturday morning we could have bands of moderate to heavy showers, maybe a rumble of thunder with this as well, while it snows again out to the west. Here's the low pressure center, and the track it takes is going to be vital. As we go through Saturday, the rain chances do continue. Maybe a little break here and there. It's not going to rain the entire weekend everywhere. And notice that the aerial coverage is focused right over our viewing area, and the heaviest of the rain in dark green kind of stays put but shifts south as we go through the weekend. The snow stays west until we get into Sunday morning, then it makes its way in. Sunday, most of the rain shifts east and north. Potential rainfall, where you see the yellows and oranges, are areas we're concerned that have the best chance right now at seeing 1 to 2 inches, and maybe even more than that. So anybody that gets 2 or more inches of rain, particularly if it's widespread like this, could really impact your rivers, and a second crest could indeed be in store for your areas. We will watch this closely, as we know you will as well. Thanks again to all of you for your photos and videos of the unfolding of the last several days. A 47-degree day on Thursday. We remain quiet. There'll be a few sprinkles. Rain likely, particularly late Friday and into Saturday. And we'll watch our flooding concerns with you as we go through the weekend. Sunday, still a wet day, but temperatures and conditions do start to quiet down Monday and Tuesday of next week.
I'm not even complaining about the temperatures. I mean,
no, you know, the
better.
sun just feels good, doesn't
it? It really does. We've been kicked around a little bit.
Yes, we have.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
And the push toward